Good morning to one and all. My name is Dr. Jagadish, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government First Grade College, T. Dasrelli and Basanagudi. This is the program for BCA second semester Mathematics, Numerical and Statistical Method for Bangalore University. Today's session number 10 and the topic is the Newton-Rapphson method. So we can find the root of the equations. So we are taken equations, the trigonometric equations in this session. An example, find the real root of 3x minus cos x minus 1 equals 0 by Newton's-Raphson method, correct to 3 decimal places. In solution, let's consider the function is f of x is 3x minus cos x minus 1. Then find f dash x, the derivative of, derivative of f of x is f dash of x, the 3x is 3 into x is 1, therefore 3 minus cos x is plus sin x, or cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, minus into minus plus sin x, derivative of constant minus 1 is constant 0, therefore f dash of x equals 3 plus sin x. Then you find f of 0, replace x by 0 in the function f of x. 3 into 0 minus cos of 0 minus 1, 3 into 0, 0, cos 0 is 1, that is minus 1 is minus 2, is a negative less than 0. Then find f of 1, replace x by 1, 3 into 1 minus cos 1 minus 1 equal to, so cos 1 you can calculate by using, calculator or it may be a clock table, but in terms of radians which is equal to 1.4597, which is positive more than 0. Therefore, f of 0 is negative and f of 1 is positive. Therefore, root lies between 0 and 1. The formula for Newton's-Raphson method is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash of xn. Since mod f of 0 is more than mod, so f of 1. So mod f of 0 is greater than mod f of 1. So therefore, the initial approximation x naught is equal to, I will take x naught is equal to a 1. Either you take 1 or it may be a 0. So then find f of 1. f of 1 is 3 into 1 minus cos 1 minus 1. Just we find it. So that value is 1.4597. f dash of 1, in the f dash of x replace x by 1, that is 1. f dash of 1 equals 3 plus sine of 1, which is equal to 3.8414. The first approximation n equals 0. So x naught is equal to, x1 is equal to x naught minus f of x naught by f dash of x naught. So f of x naught is 1 minus, just we find it, f of x naught is 1.4597 and f dash of x naught is 3.8414. After simplification, we get 0.62. The second approximation n is equal to 1. Then you find f of x1. The f of x1 is f of 0.62. That is 3. You substitute in the f of x, 3x minus cos x minus 1. That is 3 into 0.62 minus cos of 0.62 minus 1, which is equal to 0.04612. F dash of x1 is equal to, so that is f dash of x equals 3 plus sin x, that is f dash of 0.62 equals 3 plus sine of 0.62. After simplification, we get 3.5810. Therefore, the formula for second approximation x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 by f dash of x1. So equal to x1 is 0.62, f of x1 is equal to 0.04612 divided by f dash of x1 is 3.5810, which is equal to 0.6071. The third approximation n is equal to 2. Therefore, find f of x2. f of x2 is equal to f of 0.6071, which is equal to, so in the f of x, so f of x is 3x minus cos x minus 1, replace x places 0.6071. Therefore, 3 into 0.6071 minus cos of 0.6071 minus 1. So which is equal to minus 0.0000058888. Then find f dash x2, that is f dash of 0.6071. Substitute f dash x is equal to 3 plus sin x, that is 3 plus sin x part is 0.6071. After simplification, 3.57048. Therefore, third approximation formula is x3 is equal to x2 minus f of x2 by f dash of x2. The x2 value is just find it 0.6071 minus f of x2 is minus 0.00000588 divided by f dash of x2 is 3.57048. So simplification gives 0.6071. You just compare the value of x2 and x3. They are similar. Therefore, x2 is equal to x3. Therefore, the required solution is 0.607. They're asking that 3 decimal places, therefore 0.607. The next example, find the real root of x into sin x plus cos x equals 0 near x is equal to pi. The correct to 3 decimal places using Newton-Raphson method. In solution, so consider the function f of x equals x sin x plus cos x. Then find f dash x. So x sin x is product rule. We can apply the product rule. First function constant, derivative of sin x is cos x, plus sin x constant, x is 1, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Minus sin x plus sin x get cancelled. Therefore, f dash x is equal to x cos x. So already they given near x, already x is equal to pi. Therefore, x naught is equal to pi in terms of radians. Therefore, you find f of x naught is f of pi is equal to pi into sin pi plus cos pi is equal to sin pi is 0, cos pi is minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. F dash of x naught is equal to f dash of pi, which is equal to pi into cos pi, because f dash x is x cos x. Pi cos pi is minus 1 into pi is minus pi. The formula for Newton-Raphson method is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash xn. So we can, so for first approximation n equals 0, we get x1 is equal to x naught minus f of x naught by f dash of x naught. Therefore, x1 is equal to x naught minus f of x naught by f dash of x naught, which is equal to pi minus f of pi by f dash of pi, which is equal to pi minus f of x naught is minus 1 divided by f dash of x naught is minus pi. After simplification, we get 2.8246. The second approximation n is equal to 1. Then find f of x1. F of x1 is f of 2.8246. That is x sin x plus cos x. That is 2.8246 into sine of 2.8246 plus cos of 2.8246. Simplification gives minus 0.0971. Then find f dash of x1. F dash of x1 is x cos x. Therefore, x1 is, so 2.8246, which is equal to, so x cos x is 2.8246 into cos of 2.8246, which gives minus 2.6839. Therefore, x2 is equal to, so x1 minus f of x1 by f dash of x1, which is equal to x1 value is 2.8246 minus f of x1 value is minus 0.097. F dash of x1 is minus 2.6839, which gives 2.7987. Therefore, the third approximation n is equal to 2. Therefore, find f of x2. F of x2 is equal to f of 2.7987, which is equal to x sin x plus cos x. The x place is 2.7987 into sine of 2.7987 plus cos of 2.7987, which gives 0.0082742. Then find f dash of x2. F dash of, so x2 is x2 is equal to 2.7987. You simplify, so that gives minus 2.6358. So therefore, x3 is equal to x2 minus f of x2 by f dash of x2, which is equal to 2.7987 minus, so f of x2 is 0.0008272 divided by f dash of x2 is minus 2.6358. So which gives 2.7983. So now you compare x2 and x3 for 3 decimal places. So what is that? x2 is equal to x3. See, 2.798, 2.798. Therefore, the required solution is 2.798. So this completes this problem. And next, an exercise problem. Find the real root of x square plus 4 sin x is equal to 0. So using Newton's-Raphson method, correct to 3 decimal places. Next example. Find the real root of x cube minus sin x plus 1 equals 0 between 0 and minus 1 using Newton-Raphson method, correct to 3 decimal places. And next example. So find a real root of tan x is equal to x near x is equal to 4.5, correct to 3 decimal places using Newton-Raphson method. These are all the reference. This completes the session 10.